On this episode of the Clueless Gardeners.
Only Mr. Connoisseur would do gardening in...
digging a hole to put you in.
The lemon tree is now in this pot. It's a sneak of what's to come on the Clueless Gardeners. I have to point something out here. Only Mr. Connoisseur would do gardening in white linen trousers. I'm just surprised he's not in one of his Ralph Lauren polo shirts, but only him. I have to show this to you. He doesn't know. There he is in all his glory. I'm just pointing out that only you do gardening in white linen trousers.
Yeah. Just digging a hole to put you in.
So can you explain what you're doing?
With this hole, I'm going to put some nice sort of healthy soil in there. We can use this as another sort of flower bed or a vegetable patch.
Yeah. He has a strip on his nose. He's been having some sinus issues, so that's what that's about. I snuck up on him. What Ben has done here is he's dug a pit and he put some really nice topsoil in and planted a lemon tree. And what are these, peppers and... chili peppers and regular green peppers. Okay, so chili peppers and regular green peppers. You might not be able to hear.
I'm not sure if they should go next to citrus, but we'll see how they do.
Well, we'll find out, won't we? I have a fig tree up there. Let me walk around. By the way, these are our lights that I got Ben for Christmas last year, and we only just now put them up, and I really like them. Nice. The tree looks kind of like, I guess it's...
Which way do you want it? Too late now?
No, it's fine.
That's just how
it looks like it's leaning. Is that how it is?
Yeah, pretty much.
See, that's my fig tree right there that, against all odds, has survived. But, yeah.
Alright, so I need a bit more soil on the top there.
So we're actually having our plants put on a drip system, so this is just in time because we can have him put this on a drip.
You like it?
I do.
See how it goes, eh?
So it's a few days later and there have been some changes. The lemon tree is now in this pot. Yes, this could also be the indecisive gardeners. So basically everything that Ben had planted, and I apologize for the loud air conditioning, but everything that he planted, he took out. He changed his mind. And it does make sense because, there's Ben. Because we had the peppers here, and basically we have large creatures that come out into our slope at night, and we thought it's not wise to have vegetables because they'll just eat them. So he planted these bougainvillea that were in another location and were dying right here. So okay, this whole patch is totally different now. But anyway, that is today's video. And by the way, that's a sneak of what's to come on the Clueless Gardeners. I won't tell you what it is right now, but I'm sure you could guess. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time. Bye.